Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Smart Popup, the WordPress plugin. So because of so many of you guys asked us to add more features, we decided, okay, this is really important and we need to add more features. And basically the features you guys wanted were event handlers that would be able, so that user would be able to determine when the pop-up would appear, because in the first version that we released, you guys really liked that. The pop-ups were based on the event or of page loading. Whenever the page loaded, the pop-ups appeared. So now we decided, because you guys were so nice and you really gave us suggestions, we added a new section here in the admin called event handler. What this does, basically, it allows us to set what event has to happen in the page so that the plugin activates and the pop-up appears. And we have also a very funny example for you guys. Let's play a game. You can see it's elaborate. Basically, you need to go with the mouse from one place to the other, but you don't have to touch the wall. So if I touch the wall, I have a pop-up here that says game over. So okay, let me go and show you guys the admin. So basically we added this event handler and we moved the open effect and close effect in this section because we thought, okay, so this is based on the open and close, so they should be here. But basically the first version was basically based on load page. Whenever the page loaded, the plugin activated and the pop-ups appeared. Now we added on close or leave the page, and we have an option here to set an exit message, and then we have try to leave the page. And what this does is, whenever a user tries to go with the mouse outside of the website, the pop-up will appear. Next is the scroll. Whenever somebody scrolls to the top or the bottom of the page, the pop-up will appear. And you can imagine this is quite useful whenever you want to have a pop-up in the bottom of your page or in the top of the page. And the custom event is basically whenever something happens, the pop-up will appear. And we decided to do this by providing the plugin with 3 parameters. They are target by, target name, and event. So target by, you can target something with an ID or a class. This is something a bit more specific for those of you who know some sort of HTML and CSS. What is an ID, what is a class? So basically you select an ID or a class and then you say, okay, so the items with the class, I don't know, big font for example, should do something whenever the event click happens. And this is something that, for those of you who don't know the events, we have click, we have a lot of events. In this version we have added click and mouse over. So whenever somebody clicks on big font, something will happen. And I'm going to show you exactly how this was done in the game over pop-up. So basically it was a custom event with a fade in and 10 millisecond duration of the fade in, with a delay of 0.1 second and the duration of 4 seconds basically. But the custom event itself is, we targeted the items with a class of wall, and the event is mouse over. So let's see, here we have, this is the wall of the labyrinth, basically the blue area. So how we made this labyrinth, we made a table. Basically this is a table, and I'm going to show you guys the table really quick. Okay, so this is the table, and we have here the cells called TD class wall. So whenever the mouse goes over the wall, the pop-up will appear. And you can see that I'm going to go through the labyrinth and going, and oh, okay, I touched the wall, and there's the pop-up. So okay, feel free to go and check out the other events, and we're also very excited to hear about your suggestions, and we'll get back to you guys whenever we have more updates. Bye.